But yeah, hopefully we'll have just enough battery. Or by some miracle, we'll turn on. Yeah, so guys, we got to see 2 Illinois brick roads. This one and the one yesterday in Lincoln. All right, so the 1830 North is the name of the road. Just please don't be gravel, because all I see is farming equipment here. Pontiac Road. Hardly a driver. Another poem, guys, is now alive, who passed on hills at 75. Yeah, so this is going to take us back to good old Burma shade here. Yeah, so this is going to take us back to old Route 66. I just hope we don't have that many bumps. I mean, this is right here perfect. I could deal with this. Three hours and 8 minutes, guys. Strange thing here. It's taking me in a zigzag. Up on some road, there, some country road. Yeah, and I just want to get on old Route 66. Oh wow, guys, this is smooth as a baby's bottom. I hope it continues like this. That would be amazing. It's 2:48, guys, so Yeah. Guys, and because tomorrow's going to be a lot warmer, they're saying it's going to be in the 50s. It's calling for 50. Call it 51. But, like, overnight, that's the thing, because when I get to the hotel tonight, I was checking like 7, 8 p.m. and it's still going to be like 40, 42. So because that warm air is pushing in from the south, it's maintaining that overnight the temperature is not going to drop below 0. So that's nice. So yeah, guys, so we already got dinner pretty much sorted. We got soup, chili con carne, frankfurters, some apples, and a cinnamon bun.